In this lecture, we're going to show how to use assembly features. So what is the difference between features in assembly and features in part modeling? There is no difference at all, but the features that you make in assembly are only visible in assembly. They're not visible on individual parts. So let's show how this works. So here we have this assembly, and this assembly consists of two parts, part 1 and part 2. And now we want to create a circle here on this face, and then we want to cut with this circle this part and this part here. So let's show how this works. So let's go here, let's go to sketch, and let's create a sketch here. So let's go to the circle, let's go here, let's put some dimensions, let's go with 20 millimeters, let's put a distance here, let's go with 60 millimeters. Like this, let's click OK. Now let's define this point and this point. Let's make them vertical, like this. And now we're gonna use this circle to cut those two parts. So now we can go to Assembly tab, and here we have Assembly Features. So let's open this, so we can use Revolved Cut or Extruded Cut. So let's go with Extruded Cut, like this, and we're gonna choose here True All, like this, and let's click OK. And we have created those two holes, like this. Now we can check if those two holes we have on individual parts. So let's go here and let's open part 1 and part 2. So we see that we don't have that hole on the part 1. If we go to part 2 as well, we don't see that we have that hole here. Now let's go to our assembly. We can see that this feature only affects assembly, and this is why this is called assembly feature. So you might now thinking, why would I use this? I could create a hole on individual parts, and then I would have those holes in assembly. But sometimes when you want to follow some specific manufacturing process, then you have to create holes or some other features in the assembly. And you can do this by using assembly features. As well, if we go here to assembly features, here we have different features: hole wizard, extruded cut, revolve cut, swap cut, fillet, chamfer, linear pattern, circular pattern, mirror, and so on. So for example, we can go to fillet. So we can choose this face here, like this. Let's go with 2 millimeters. Let's go to 1 millimeter. And we can choose this face here as well, like this. We can choose this face here. We can choose this face here, like this, and let's click OK. And now only those fillets are visible here in assembly. Again, if we go to part 1, we don't see those fillets. So this is how you can use assembly features.